Hello everyone. So I welcome you to the lecture series on MCQ based question answer analysis of artificial intelligence. And today's lecture will be focusing on three important topics that you all have to know. And they are decision support system, group decision support system, enterprise resource support system. Because we have to first know what are they, then only we can answer this question. And the question is, criticism pre-idea generation is a factor of which one of these? And you know what is D? That is artificial intelligence. So let's start today's class. So first I am coming to decision support system. Okay. So decision support system is what? Is a computerized program, and we use it to support determinations, judgments, and courses of action in an organization or a business. And this decision support system sifts through and analyzes massive amounts of data, compiling comprehensive information that can be used to solve problems and in decision making. So what you have to know here is what is decision making. Guys, if you search in my playlist of data mining and data warehousing, you'll have some lectures that is truly devoted to decision making. Let me tell you in brief. So what happens in a big company, we need to actually analyze the data, or you can say that those historic data, and they are of course big amount of data from which we need to find out a particular trend, how our business is going on. And in that, we have to go through a process that is known as decision making process. And that is the very crucial part of any organization. And this decision making process being automated with this decision support system. Right. Now, let me clear this. These diagrams will tell you many things about this DSS. See, this system being given what data, documents, communications, models, knowledge, and based on that, it actually performs what? It performs the decision-making process. Just for an example, in which area you will focus more or you will invest more to have a better gaining, right? That kind of decision that an organization or frequently have to make, right? That is decision support system. Now let's come to the next one, that is group decision support system. What is this? See, here the term group is there, and you know about group, where few individuals, or you can say that more than one person together try to find a solution. Similarly, in a group decision support system, this is an interactive computer-based system that facilitates a number of decision makers working together in a group. Remember, here is no single decision maker. Yes, of course, more than one single decision maker, more than one decision maker together working in a group in finding solutions to problems that are unstructured in nature. So in decision support system, you have seen that we are not working in group actually. Yes, we are. This is a kind of automated system, decision support system, where we are feeding those data to enhance the decision making process. But in GDSS, that is group decision support system, here many decision makers together working in a group to find solutions for some unstructured problem. And again, structured and unstructured problem, I have some lectures devoted to that also. You'll find many examples in those lectures. Okay. So now you got it, the difference between decision support system and group decision support system. See this figure. This is GDSS, hardware input output device communication, common screen processor, software application program user interface database model based like that. Then people's this group members, group facilitator, then procedures means what are the methods used in those group meetings, that is GDSS. Okay, now few points that you have to know about GDSS, how it actually enhances the group decision making is that here improved pre-planning is done, then increased participation should be there, then open and collaborative meeting atmosphere, right? And then criticism pre-idea generation, because in that group you all, if you try to criticize others ideas, then it is not going to work. So there should be an environment of what, criticism pre-idea generation, that should be open and collaborative. Then we have evaluation objectivity. So improve pre-planning, increase pre-participation, open and collaborative meeting atmosphere, most importantly, criticism pre in the idea generation, and then evaluation objectivity are the characteristics of GDSS, right? I hope you got it already. Then enterprise resource support system kind of software is the type of software that organization use to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting, procurement, project management, risk management and compliance, and then supply chain operations. These different types of operations can be managed with the help of one software that you can term it as ERSS. And this includes enterprise performance management that helps plan, budget, predict, and report an organization financial results. Right. That is very clear, I hope. And if you talk about diagram as a whole, if you see this diagram, then it will be more clear. You'll see that this is financial management, this is supply chain management, and this is manufacturing and resource planning, then human resource management, customer relation management. Everything is being WA connected to this ERP system. WA means you can see that the communication takes place from both sides, right? Altogether, they help to enhance this process of managing these different domains of a particular company. For that, we require what? ERP system. And last one in the option, that is artificial intelligence. So I think I don't need to describe it in details, because this is the lecture series on AI and you have already got that definition at the very lecture also. So now if you analyze the question, now you will be able to answer this. See, criticism pre-idea generation. This will be a factor of which one? Of course, this will be a factor of decision support system, because that is the main part of a group decision support system. Don't go for the first one. You already got what is that. So answer should be our B, that is group decision support system. Okay, I hope everything is now clear to you. Still, if any doubt occurs, then my comment section is there to help you. For that, you just comment or query. I'll be there to help you with some solution or answer. So guys, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next lecture very soon. Till then, Dr. Dibboy is signing out. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.